Pretty sure everything that you're gonna need is an 8 and a 10. But we'll find out. Found that in my brake. Okay, this guy's loose. These guys off. And this guy out. And these guys off. Or loose, and those guys loose. Ooh, aluminum. For the fork guards, you're going to need a 6mm. Before you loosen these bolts right here, I would highly suggest, if you're gonna go into your forks, to loosen this first. And for each bike, there's a different one. I bought this tool from Rocky Mountain ATV. It's very bike specific. Sometimes you can get them to fit on other bikes, but the Sherco and the Yamahas that we have and the Kawasaki, it doesn't work. So taking a wild guess, I thought that that tool would work, but it doesn't. I have to take off this first to be able to use the wrench that goes on here. T45. Okay, so you take this baby out. Now this is the right tool. You can buy it from Rocky Mountain ATV. You take the wheel off. I'm never strong enough to pull the axle bolt all the way out. Obviously don't want this thing just dangling by these wires. So I'd find a spot that you could kind of tuck it. It's kind of magnetic, so you could just stick it up there. You don't have to take these all the way out. You just loosen them. Make sure that you pay attention to where the top of your forks sit right here, so you can put it back in the same exact spot. Fork 1. Make sure when you do this that you have a super clean surface. You don't want to scratch your lower forks because those babies are expensive. And clearly, I don't take my bike to the car wash good enough because that is really dirty.
Good. Things are in good shape. What'd you say about this bike being cloppy? Your pull-out game is strong. I love you.
That's a crazy difference. A gasket. This is a RaceTech spring that's 1 inch lower than the stock. We had to put all these shims in here and this shim right here, this white one, to make it fit for my short ass. After you put all those little parts back in there, and then the spring comes next, right? Shim goes right here. Shim. And this guy, I'm pretty mad right now. So pre-warn, if you do this, do not wrench down on it because you will lose that fucker and probably have to buy a whole new part. Don't spill, don't spill, don't spill. Back on, damn. That one's fucking loose as shit. Fucking put some elbow grease in that bitch. I don't think I've ever rode a dirt bike where both my toes are touching the ground.